guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Before I get to mention, guys, I also did a tutorial on this look here. I will link that video up here in case you guys missed it. Okay guys, for today's video, what we're gonna be doing is a unboxing of this gorgeous angel baby. I literally made this myself. We went to Michael's, we got vinyl stickers, we covered up an original mystery box just to make it our own. So this is the mystery box for my mystery box giveaway. One lucky subscriber has won this. They have been contacted. I am pre-filming this because I really know that you guys were so curious to know what was inside. So I thought, why not do an unboxing once I know that the person that has won the palette has received it and they've enjoyed the actual surprise. Why not have you guys enjoy it too? So yeah, guys, let's jump right in. I cannot wait to show you what's in this thing. Okay, let's go. So let's go one by one. First, let's start with the little guys first. So I included the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip scrub. This is in the root beer flavor. I absolutely love it. I have one of my own and I cannot wait for you lucky winner, to see how amazing this is. I love using this on my lips. It really exfoliates while hydrating them. There seems to be some type of essential oil in them that really helps to just hydrate your lips. Love this guy. So excited for you to give this a try. And next I have the gloss. So this is in the shade Ice Cold. I received this in one of the Supreme mystery boxes. This is a gorgeous shade. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna swatch. This is my own one, so I'm gonna swatch it for you guys here. It is just an iridescent pink, purpley, I don't even what, fantasy. Like, it is the perfect lip topper. I love his glosses. They smell, I don't know if you guys are familiar with MAC lip glosses. They smell exactly like that. They are a little bit thicker and they're a little bit sticky, but I don't mind. They're really comfortable and nice on the lips. And yeah, guys, this is the next item in the box. And moving on, so I am also including a liquid frost. This is in the shade Crown Jewel. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not usually a giant fan of using his liquid frost on my face, only because it has a little bit of sparkle in it, and I feel like I'm a little bit past that in terms of my age to be putting sparkle on my face. But this on the body is absolutely to die for. I know it seems far away, but summer is right around the corner and we're gonna want to douse ourselves in sparkle and glitter. I know I will. I don't know about you guys. This I thought was a really great way to try his highlight, and this way you're getting a little piece. Now you've gotten a little bit of the gloss, you're getting a little bit of this, so this is the next item in the box. And moving on, you know that I had to include a liquid lip. This is, I didn't want to include something crazy and weird like those green ones and whatever I got. I wanted you guys to actually get a color that's wearable and super beautiful. So I included the shade Dull Parts. I am so excited for the winner to give this a try. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a very vibrant, gorgeous Barbie pink. It's very flattering. It makes your teeth look super white. This is the one that I own. So I'm gonna swatch that here on the back of my hand so you can take a better look at it. So there that is here. I think it is so pretty. It's such a perfect pink without being overly like obnoxiously pink. So yeah, I thought that was a really great addition to the box. And moving on, so this little teeny tiny guy, I thought this was really cute. I mean, it's not like a favorite thing to get in a box, but you know what? I always end up using them. They're really good quality in terms of pop sockets. I don't know if that's like a thing, if there's like a quality standard for them, but this one's really good quality. I do use it, and I thought, why not include this for you guys so you could enjoy it too? And I'm so excited to show you this. So I did a poll on Twitter asking if you guys, because it was in between Blue Blood and Blood Sugar as to what I was going to include in the box. And with an overwhelming amount of votes, the winner was Blood Sugar. I am so happy to include this in the box for you guys. Guys, this was my original first Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette. It's what made me fall in love with his brand. It is to die for. To the winner, congratulations, you are about to fall in love with this. It is one of the best eyeshadow palettes I've ever tried, and I am a junkie. I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So yes, this is the next item in the box, and woo, I'm so excited. Okay guys, this is the last item in the box, and I really feel like you guys weren't expecting me to go this hard, but you knew that I had to, so I am including a whole ass Jeffree Star Cosmetics hand mirror, and I will show you which one it is. It is the gorgeous, breathtaking Jeffree Star approved mirror. I know that people don't usually include this in a giveaway, but I really wanted you guys to try this. I own a ton of them myself. I think 3 of them by now. This would be 4, but it's going out to you. I literally use them all the time. I find them super useful in my makeup routine. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this box. I thought it would be really fun for me to tally the total amount that this is worth. The palette goes for $52. The hand mirror goes for $30. The lip products each go for $18. Then we have this guy. This averages out at about $12. Then this is $25, and this lip scrub is $12. Guys, this mystery box has an entire value of $155 US. Like I am so happy for whoever gets this box. I am so excited for you. I made sure it was someone who really loved Jeffree Star Cosmetics but wasn't able to delve into the brand themselves, whether they never had a chance to or they just didn't have the money. I really wanted to gift you guys Jeffree. Everybody deserves to try how absolutely beautiful and amazing his brand is. This giveaway is literally from my heart. Like I can't tell you how actually happy it makes me knowing that someone is gonna open this, see it, and absolutely scream at the top of their lungs. I am so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. So here is the thing. Now, if I get enough likes and comments on this video, letting me know that you really like this idea, I'm thinking, drum roll, I think that I should do a mystery box giveaway of my own. Every time Jeffree drops a mystery box, I feel like I should be doing one too. For those of you who don't have the money to get it, for those of you who just can't get it because you know how stressful and hard it is, oh my goodness, don't even want to think about it. But yeah, guys, I'm thinking of doing this every single time Jeffree Star does a mystery box. Please leave me a comment. Please leave me a like. Let me know that that's something you're interested in because I really want to do it. I had so much fun putting this together for you guys. Even making the box was a ton of fun. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't be discouraged if you didn't win. I still have another giveaway going for you to win your very own Bloodlust palette along with a crown mirror. So don't be upset. You still have a chance to win. Please make sure you give this video a like. Please make sure to leave me a comment down below, and please make sure you subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.